They can say the flaming can is part of a game. Forget it, man, and get with the countdown. Shake this square world and blast off for Kicksville.
Good morning. Yesterday I failed from broken this one and normal sugar, grain sugar is not melted in the oil. So I need to change it from icing mixture. I don't know, it's gonna be better than grain sugar. But I read it from some research, like they suggest me to blend that grain sugar. But I thought it's not good idea to do that. So today I bought a new bowl. Should have bought a new bowl because I'm trying to do Thai sweet. So crazy. And I also bought this plastic bowl, a big one. Here's what I'm doing is like sieving flour, icing. I a little bit feel better after I found out my icing can mix with flour so well. Just like make the area in the center for them. It's out there. Oh my god. I think I need to add a little bit more oil. According to from moments ago, I don't know how much of oil I add, but when it's alright, I mean like when it already, yeah, but when it ready, it's come up like this. You can make it tin like this, or you can add it a little bit more, but to me I think too much already. I don't want it more. Then your dough is a little bit will be like this, quite smooth. You can like grab it like this. And after it look ready, in my idea is ready, I gonna leave it for 1 hour. I don't know why 1 hour. If anybody knows about this, please let me know, because the flour is just like all-purpose flour, so I don't think they will have yeast or they will have like chemicals reactions or something. But according to recipe, I want to under finish breaking and everything, I found out like the base dough should be like this. Different between those two. Here is a little bit oily. It will be open like this. And your flour is look so thin. Because the oil is released out. And I'm finding a way how to cut it become like a flour like this. Because we don't have like exactly recipe. So I need to find out and how to make it not so thin. I thought this one should be okay, but actually if you put it in the oven like this, it will be melted, not in shape. I just break only this one because I want to know how was it of cutting. When you break it and you take it out from the oven, it's still like soft. So don't touch it, just let it set for 15 minutes. But I think I know now how can I cut that, and I will let you know. Because I trying to cut it in many shapes, but it's not look so good. And some will look like this. It's not look like a Kleep Lamduan at all in the pic. I thought in like YouTube or internet the expert. Here's perfect one that I can. Yes, this food video, but continue from Kleep Lamduan cooking because we need to explain something. If you want to have like perfect Kleep Lamduan like this, I can say it's not really perfect, but nobody told you how to cut it like this. I try many times to cut it. Sometimes like this, and some look cute like this. So we're gonna talk about how to make it in shape. Actually, I'm gonna insert a video here and talk it together. So after you got the Kleep Lamduan, you make it circle as I told you. I show you, isn't it? You need to imagine up in the circle have another circle and start cutting, follow the red line until like cut it all to the bottom of the circle. And then you just like put the small one that I put it here, make it circle, put the small one, pop up in here. Bam! Don't place it so hard. If you place it so hard, your Kleep Lamduan will be like this, which we don't want. We just want to be like, make it pollen, like small one, look cute. That is, nobody told you about this. Because when I look at for Kleep Lamduan recipe, you just say like put the oil ml, but nobody told you like. And another thing is, they said you can add more if you want, or add more. What more? Because if you put too much oil, your matter. Can I say the matter? Anyone know this? Please comment below. This one will look bigger. The base is a little bit thinner, like this. You put too much oil. If you not put too much oil, your Kleep Lamduan will be like this. You can see the base is a little bit thicker. That is what I need to sit in front of you and talk with you clearly how to cut Kleep Lamduan become Kleep Lamduan look like. And Kleep Lamduan is some kind of flour, and we put the flour in here too. The Kleep Lamduan flour. But in here we didn't make like I don't have the incense, so we didn't put it on the incense on the Kleep Lamduan. That's the reason why the smell is quite different. Bye. See you next Wednesday.